Why your 20s feel so meaningless? As observant, it's not that difficult to see the state of modern world, and it's not difficult to tell that we're in the middle of meaning crisis. We're addicted to our phones, we're disconnected in nature, we've lost trust in public schooling, and for good reason. People pre-realizing that an education model adopted from Persian military state can't work. You were blinded by status to get a degree. By doing so, you probably didn't pursue education on this side. So, you narrow your mind on one goal and allowed it to be conditioned with a one-sided worldview to be see as you are useful as one thing. It is being a worker.